Sellbrite helps you sell on platforms like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and more all in one place. With it, you can actually track your inventory, simplify listings, and manage orders without any stress. Hi, this is Shakpat from ecommerce. In this video, you are gonna see how to integrate a sales channel with Sellbrite. So stay tuned. First, I should tell you that you need to do it while signing up to Sellbrite. If you want to see the signing up process, we have a video on that. You can click on the I button from the top to watch this video, or you will find the link in the description as well. So we are gonna skip the signing up in this video. After you sign up, you will land on this page where Sellbrite asks a few questions to get to know you better. One of the questions is, which e-commerce platform do you use for your online store? Select none, then click next. Now I am on the dashboard. Click on setting. Of this page, there is a tab called Sales Channel Integration. Click on it. We can integrate your sales channel from this marketplace. Here we have Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Google, Newegg, Sears, and Walmart. Let's say we want to connect to Etsy. So click on Connect from below. Now give a name, then click on Connect your account. Then it will ask for your Etsy login details. After giving the login details, your sales channel will be added here and it will import all of your listings from your Etsy account. Same way, you can connect your other sales channel as well. That's it. If you need any help setting up your account or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or reach out. As you can see, we have got our account running like a pro. Here we have Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify all in one place. Need a hand with your own setup? We would be happy to help you out. We can totally help you set up and manage your own Sellbrite account. Want to chat about how we can take the stress out of multi-channel selling? Reach out anytime. Just mail us at info@ecomclips.com. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.